Well, hello on this Wednesday. A cold one out there this morning, or colder, I should say. Teens in the south here, not so bad, but there were some sub-zero readings here, that grayish green in northwestern Minnesota, and temperatures are going to be colder over the next several days. We're in for a 4-day cold snap. It's a little unusually chilly here for March, but there is some hope in sight. Skies have cleared out across much of the state, still some patches of low clouds off to the west, but we've got a cold high pressure settling in out of Montana, moving in for the next few days. And highs today, probably just around 20, low 20s maybe here in the Twin Cities, southeastern Minnesota, single digit highs in northern Minnesota. And then Friday is going to be even a little chillier. We might struggle to hit 20 here in the southern part of the state. And the normal high now is up to almost 40 degrees for the Twin Cities. So these are well below normal temperatures. And in fact, Saturday morning, probably a couple degrees below zero, even in the metro, teens below in northern Minnesota. And this is a little bit late. Went back and looked through the record books here, and you can see February 18th is the normal last sub-zero reading. That's our new 30-year normals, which of course is earlier than they used to be, which was February 28th. And the last time we saw a low this late in the season was also March 12th, 2009. So this is a little unusually late for the season, and it is going to be chilly Saturday morning. Good morning to sleep in. Wind chills are going to be in the teens below zero, even 20s to near 30 below zero in the northwestern part of the state. But odds are very good of some much milder weather next week. This is from the Climate Prediction Center. Their 6 to 10 day outlook gives a likelihood of warmer than normal temperatures here for much of the central U.S. And the big shift in the upper level pattern is this kind of squeezed pattern of cold south and north of the North Pole is starting to come back together, and watch it shift to the other side of the hemisphere up towards the pole more. So that's going to allow more normal, even warmer than normal temperatures to move in well into the 40s by Sunday. And look at Tuesday, probably our first 50 of the season. Comes a couple weeks later than normal, but the European model is even more aggressive. 59 for the Twin Cities with some 60s. Definitely not out of the question. If not Tuesday, at some point next week, the air is going to be that warm where it's a likelihood of our first 50 and a chance of our first 60. Other than that, the pattern's quiet, but the Canadian model a little aggressive on maybe some rain, snow early Monday. European model, not so much. The same system, it does very little over Minnesota. So something to watch, maybe late Sunday night, early Monday. We could have a little sloppy mess in the middle of our warm-up. Otherwise, things are remarkably quiet for March, which can be, of course, a stormy month. 21 for the high only today. Maybe a touch warmer tomorrow, but it's still going to be chilly, considering the normal highs are around 39, 40 degrees. And then Friday, maybe a flurry. Otherwise, we'll have a decent amount of sunshine these next few days. And that rapid warm-up after a bitter cold start for mid-March, Saturday, 2 below zero. We're in the upper 20s, which isn't bad, but above normal here Sunday. Monday, a few more clouds around with that system, most likely. And again, the possibility of perhaps some morning rain and snow. And then, yeah, soaring beyond that, 50 plus should have at least a couple 50s, if not a few of them, for next week.